The market is bleeding and SoFi is getting crushed. But while everyone panic sells, the charts are setting up for potential 100% breakout. Now this dip might be your last opportunity. With the Nasdaq in correction mode, shorts being loud, and CEO Anthony Knows loading up, this shows that the smart money isn't scared, it's actually buying. So in this video I'll show you the exact buy zones and price targets before SoFi makes its move. So if you're bullish on fintech, hit the like button and let's break it all down. Now, before we dive into it, I just want to remind you guys of our Patreon membership, which is a 7-day free trial. And in this subscription, you get exclusive access to our Ticketflow AI app, which accesses full entry to AI-led trades and gives you alpha, as well to our top 3 high alpha trades of the week sent every single Sunday, which gives our subscribers immense returns. Now, as you can see, we are on this weekly chart of SoFi, and the reason as to why I chose this longer term time frame is because we are seeing extreme sell-offs here in the entire general market. The Nasdaq is down pretty much 6% from its all-time highs, and this has been heavily affected across all stocks, including SoFi. So if you look here on this name, we had important levels of support that broke, right? These levels should now be acting as levels of resistance, and this is going to be the level of $21.92 and $20.82. So now these levels broke, and the sellers have full control of the name as we have declined since that point here, December or around February 17th of 2026, all the way down towards the current levels of 1541 here as of the most recent date, March 23rd of 2026. Now, the next area of support that I see for SoFi is going to be towards $12.76 before we see the ultimate bounce, right? This is where I believe that even though we are, going to continue selling off, SoFi is poised for extreme upside, and I still remain my price targets towards 40. And the main reason is because, the fundamentals are really good in this stock. The company is enhancing its services, it's increasing revenue at a very fast pace, and it should match, right? And Wall Street should be adding into this name as soon as the overall stock sell-off slowly starts to decline here, right? So if you just look at the earnings, right, they've been growing. Really, there isn't any negative here on the overall fundamentals of the company. They're growing annually, their revenue as well. If you look at their net margins, it's actually increasing as well, and they're actually becoming profitable, as you can see. Right, even though the stock is down around 41% year to date, we still have a overall analyst rating at $25, which would imply a 63% upside, but we are actually more bullish than that price target. We believe that SoFi can achieve those levels of $40 around this general zone, exactly right here. And before that plays out, though, we have to consider that, in the current state that we are in, we will see that further downside towards 1276, and that comes from the prior swing high anchored VWAP here, level of resistance that we had back in 2021, because that was the most pretty much clear and recent high, right? And even if we factor in, let's say, another one from this high like that, and then put another one around this high, it all matches here, right? And this is what I really like about this overall level. And I believe that this may be the low for SoFi because we have 3 levels of support, 1, 2, and 3, that are matching exactly at the zone. It is no coincidence that this happens, right? So this is going to be the overall Alamo for SoFi. And I believe that when this does happen, we will see something like this within the price action, right? So currently we'll be declining, right? And then we'll hit it, fake out some buyers, right? Capture some liquidity, and then see the bounce, right? That would be my overall thesis on SoFi, right? So they would see a little bit of this momentum. We probably see the overall, VWAP be something like this over time, and then it's going to start to increase like that, right? So during this confusing time, which is where most people are tricked to go short, is actually a fake out. They capture liquidity. So I'll put this actually as liquidity grab, right? And then we see major upside moves. This is what I believe is going to happen on SoFi. And my ideal entry, like I said, would be at the overall onset of the strength around here or around here within the trend, because now you have a very defined area of stop, right? So you can place your stop around here, the most recent low, or even at the overall low if you have a very high risk tolerance, right? And then as the stock moves up, then you can adjust your stop towards, the overall higher lows, right, which act as your overall stop losses here on SoFi. As well, if we continue towards that, it would also possibly form a cup and handle pattern because it's kind of, here forming this heavy downside. It'll probably bottom out, like I said here, which I'm playing out my thesis, and then we'll see that overall projection towards the upside. So SoFi still remain my price targets on $32.75 and $40. And even though the current overall algorithm right now is saying that we are seeing bearish territory across the majority of timeframes, and we are 5% away from the overall 5-day moving average being signaled here in this indicator, I still believe that we are going to see continued upside, and we will see something similar to this during the Terra flows, and then see a big bounce, right? And this is what we want to factor in. Let this move on towards this exact bounce, right? Which should match our $40 zone. See how it matches exactly right there. So that is where we believe that SoFi is going to reach by the end of 2026. So here's the bottom line. SoFi is sitting at a critical inflection point. If the buyers step in at these levels, this putback could turn into one of the best buying setups that we've seen all year. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Are you buying this dip or waiting for lower levels? Drop your price targets in the comment sections below. And if you want my full trade setups and real-time updates on stocks like SoFi, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.